Here we have a sighting that was caught during a commercial flight. So let's take a look at it and we'll talk about it afterwards. This was filmed March 2019, so although it's over a year old, this has just been posted, and the person who posted it just wants some answers as to what this could be, because at the moment it is a UFO, it's unidentified. Now, I don't believe this is a plane shooting off black smoke. Me personally, I think that there are some creatures in the skies that every so often we catch. Now, if you don't buy that, you just remember that every day we as a human race are finding new creatures all over this planet. So what's to say there isn't something new in the air? And this thing is moving pretty weirdly. Just look how you can tell how it is moving. So guys, I'm gonna leave this video down to you to make up your own mind. I just believe in something else, and I will say it out there. So until next time, stay blessed and keep safe.